Hey guys, Nick here, Texas Outdoors, coming to you with this beautiful 2021 Can-Am Defender Limited we just got done doing. Just gorgeous color, guys. It's actually my favorite color now. Let me give you a quick rundown on what we did for this, gentleman. We'll start off with the front Can-Am Defender Ranch Armor feeder bumper. Check it out. Plenty of storage. The winch remains in the factory spot, guys, so there's actually a plate that covers that cable so that so it doesn't interfere with the corn. There's a nice seal here. Cool thing about this front bumper though too is you got all this storage up here. You put bags of feed, animals. As you can see, the winch is right here and it pulls right through. You got your shackle mounts. Everything down here is protected. Just a beefy, almost 3/16 wall pipe there. We did a lift on this unit with 29s. These TerraMasters, which are really cool tires. I like them. We've been doing a few sets of them now, and they're really cool. It's starting to rain a little, of course, right as I start my video. We did a Elusive package, premium aluminum Ranch Armor top. So it's got the green, white lights. It's our Elusive series roof. I'll show you how they work. So when you turn them on the first time, the top row, or we set them up to be the top row, is white all the way around, okay? And when you turn them off and back on, they're in a series. Now they're green. Pretty cool. We did lights. He wanted all kinds of...
Could you try again?
My Siri was just talking to me on my phone, on my watch. We did lights underneath all the seats. Nice rock lights for the floorboard, so you can see at night. As you can see, it's a limited factory interior, guys, no issue. Beautiful, beautiful. We're the only ones that do it, you know that. And it's a perfect day to show it because it is actually starting to rain pretty good. Back glass seals up with our proprietary plate and seal back there. Just beautiful. Lights in the back, of course. As you can see, the rock lights on the floorboards back there as well. We did the side steps. Also great rock guards. So like everything underneath here, guys, is all plastic, right? So these provide a great additional layer of protection to protect those plastics, those doors, those fairings, all that. Of course, coming back to the Ranch Armor aluminum quick connect high seat. This one's optioned out pretty good. It's got the rear upper basket. As you can see, we didn't put the lights on the rear of the roof because it'd be shining at your passengers, people sitting up there. So we wired them up back here, mounted them on the basket. You guys already know we do real clean work. Ran all the wires real clean. No issue at all. He wanted lights underneath the seat as well. So we put lights back here with a nice easy switch. Again, super clean. Bed extension. We did the rear bumper as well. Came out real clean. One of my favorite builds, just the color, the combo, just nice. Looks awesome, guys. Let us know what we can do for you. Builds, conversions. Whether you want to order a top and have us ship it to you, let us know.